How to use Bitcoins. Do you want to know? Starting to use Bitcoins can be exciting because it is a new technology. Bitcoins can be used to purchase just about anything you want. Dental services, a brand new car, travel, and even luxury real estates. We recommend searching the Bitcoin merchant directories below to locate the merchants you are interested in. You can buy gift cards with Bitcoin and shop easily at most of the stores you already used. One of the best things to buy with Bitcoin is a virtual private network services to keep your internet traffic safe, secure and private. We put together a comprehensive list of VPNs you can buy with Bitcoin. Another tool many people like to buy is a Bitcoin debit card, which enables people to load a debit card with funds via Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and comment down below.